Hey guys, this is Tiger Lily Wilhelm, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the Area Perimeter Explorer Manipulative, and I'm going to show you how to use it as well in a couple different ways. The standards that I thought would go great with the Area Perimeter Explorer Manipulative are 3rd grade measurement and data standards, specifically under C, which is geometric measurement, understand and apply concepts of area, and relate area to multiplication and to addition. And then under that, the standard 3MDC7, which is relate area of rectangles to the operations of multiplication and addition. Find the area of a rectangle with whole number side lengths by tiling it, and show that the area is the same as would be found by multiplying the side lengths. And you'll see here in just a moment why this is such a great standard to use specifically with the tool that I'm about to show you. So this is a little preview of what the Toy Theater Area Perimeter Explorer tool is going to look like. And this is just the actual tool itself, not the whole website. But as you can see, there's a bunch of different colors that you can use to show the relationship between area and perimeter. It also has a couple fancy buttons up here that are super easy to use. So I'll go ahead and show you the different ways that we can actually use this website and this manipulative. Okay, so the first way to use this is you can actually show your totals as you're tiling. So as you put your different tiles up there, you can have a tile button clicked, and then once you hit show totals, you'll actually be able to see that. So I'll show you that here. Sorry guys. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. Again, this is the full website. As you can see, not too busy either, which will be really nice in the classroom setting. But as you add tile on and you have show totals on, it'll actually tell you, oh, area is 1 unit, 1 square unit. And as you add, it'll change. And it doesn't matter if you make it like a really funky shape, it'll still just change as you go. So now we have it as like an area of 6. And you can show the students, oh, we can count each tile individually. And we can also multiply 2 times 3 or both sides, and we get the exact same area, and the area is there as well. The next way that we can use this manipulative is we can actually do it without showing the totals. So you can hide the totals as you're having the kids do the math with you. So you can have them work the math as you're tiling. So we can actually just hide totals real quick by just clicking this button. Super easy. And we can just add them, and we'll make the same shape as before. Awesome. So now we have the exact same shape, and we can have individual 6 tiles. But we can also show that 2 times 3 is an area of 6 square units. And we can show that and add a little bit more. So if the students are getting that one too easy, okay, well, what if we add these 2 units? And they can do the math there in their seeds, and they see how that works and see how area works. And then the third way to use this manipulative is you can actually create really funky shapes and have them find the area of those shapes. So you can do like 2 rectangles combined, and you can actually show them how to get the area for that shape. So I will show you that here. So we can make a really weird shape. This will take just a second to add all of these. But we can make it a little bit weird. Like something like this might be weird to students to see. Awesome. So we can do this, and we actually can show them the total is going to equal 12 square units, or we can hide it at first and then ask them how they would maybe figure this out. Since they can count each individual tile, or they can even maybe break this into 2 shapes. So you could move one over and show them how it's still the same exact amount of squares or the same exact amount of tiles, but now that they're not attached, can we find the area that way? So we can do 2 times 2, or count the individual tiles. We can go back to this one, do 2 times 4, or again, count the individual tiles. And then you can even move these back and see that it's the same shape. And that way you can break it up into 2 shapes and physically cut the shape. for such a weird shape that doesn't necessarily have a formula that the students are going to be taught or learn. But that would be the third way. And again, that is the Area Perimeter Explorer. You can find that on Toy Theater. And it's one of the many tools on that website that you can use, but this one's super good for third grade measurement and data standards. So I would definitely keep it in mind when you're teaching those standards.